The Mediatek Helio G99, 120Hz display, 108 megapixel for the main sensor. This is the new Tecno Spark 20 Pro. This is my review. Let's get it. To begin with, let's start with the price. If you're deciding to pick one of these up here in Ghana, this will be going for about 2,100 Ghana cedis, 400 Ghana cedis more in comparison to the regular Spark 20. And in today's video, we're going to be exploring this to see what makes this different from the regular Spark 20. Let's start with the design. A glass front, plastic back, plastic frame. This time around, we get a glossy finish in comparison to the matte feel that I had on the regular Spark 20. So guys, bring out your microfiber cloth because you will be doing a lot of cleaning. If you don't want to do that though, you're going to get a case inside the box. Inside the box, you get a TPU case, USB Type-C cable, a headphone, and the 33 watts charger. On the side, we still have the fingerprint sensor mounted into the power button, which still works really well. At the bottom, we still have the familiar button placement. You have the Type-C port for charging and data transfer. You still get our beloved 3.5 headphone jack, a dual SIM card tray on the side, and we get an IP53 for dust and water resistance. So if you find yourself in a rain splash or anything like that, you should be okay with this device. The device actually feels very nice in the hand. The sides are not so sharp. It feels really comfortable when you're holding it in the hand. It's not so heavy too. And in comparison to the regular Spark 20, this is actually bigger, which leads us to the display. We actually get a bigger IPS LCD display at 6.78 inches with a 120Hz refresh rate panel. It's also a 1080p panel. Colors are saturated, it has good viewing angles and get decently bright whilst using it outdoor. YouTube plays at a maximum of 1440 and it looks really nice just like what we have on the regular Spark 20. Thank God we have a stereo speaker setup on here too and it sounds really decent, good enough for consuming all your data. So in summary, the display on here is actually really cool. It's big enough to consume all your content. The colors are good. The speakers on here sound amazing too. So this is going to be very good for your consuming of data, playing games, and the likes. Talking about playing games, this device is actually powered by the Helio G99, which is a 6nm chipset which promises stable and good performance. This also comes with 256GB of storage, 8GB of RAM which can be boosted to 13 using memory fusion. You get Android 13 out of the box and iOS version 13.5. All in all, performance on this device is really better in comparison to the Tecno Spark 20. Maybe the smooth OS might be due to the 120Hz display, but I actually prefer how this feels in comparison to the Tecno Spark 20. And if you're worried about this draining your battery so much, you can actually go into the settings and bring it down to 60 just to save some battery. And this is the Geekbench score. As you can see, it's slightly higher in comparison to the Tecno Spark 20. Playing some PUBG on here, this was able to play at HD graphics at high frame rates, and the gameplay was actually very decent. For Call of Duty lovers, this was actually able to play at medium graphics at high frame rate. The gameplay as well was nice. Playing this for about 30 minutes, I didn't experience the devices getting so warm, so that was really good. And the battery didn't drain so much. Talking about the battery, this comes with a 5000 mAh battery and supports 33 watts of fast charging which comes inside the box, and this will fully charge in about 1 hour and 10 minutes or so. So this can easily take you the whole day too if you don't find yourself abusing your phone every day. For an average user, this can easily take you the whole day and even sometime into the next day. Now let's talk about the cameras, where this received one of the biggest upgrade as well. We have a 108 megapixel for the main sensor, 32 megapixel selfie camera, and it's able to shoot at 2K 30 FPS. Here are some footages, let's take a look at it. Looking at the 100 megapixel main sensor, this is what the footage actually looks like, and when you compare it to the regular 12 megapixel, you can see there's a lot of details in the 108 megapixel sensor in comparison to the regular 12 megapixel, and this is what the videos also look like. So this is what the front selfie camera looks like. We are shooting at 2K 30 FPS. This is what it actually looks like out in the wild. Yeah, we're going to get a haircut now, so after we might check out some selfies. But what do you think about the picture quality so far? dynamic range. Also, how do I sound? Let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, so this is what the main camera looks like. We're also shooting this in 2K. Let me know what you think about this. When it comes to the dynamic range, the skin tones, also how do I sound? Let's take a quick jog backwards and see what the stabilization looks like. Okay, what do you think about it? Let me know what you think about the footage in the comment section down below. So in summary, I think the Tecno Spark 20 Pro is a really cool device. You definitely see the difference between this and the regular Spark 20. So if you want a better performance in comparison to what we have on the Tecno Spark 20, this can actually be a worthy upgrade. And the price difference, it wasn't so much, about 400 Ghana cedi. So you shouldn't be able, or it wouldn't be breaking your bank if you decide to pick one of these up. So guys, what do you think about the new Tecno Spark 20 Pro? Let me know in the comment section down below. Hopefully we get to test out the new Tecno Spark 20 Plus or Pro Plus. Is it a Pro Plus? Hopefully we get it in the studio too to check that out. And as usual, thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace. I'm out.